Hey guys, welcome to Kitsy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Friday Night Funkin version of Oswald the Lucky Rabbit. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start by drawing a circle shape for the head. Next, draw a curve out on the right and curve it back down into the head for the cheek. Now erase the circle line inside here. Next, inside, draw a curve on the right. And then a larger curve to the left. And one more curve at the bottom. Now on the top right, draw a curve over the one we drew earlier like this. And then erase the headline inside. Let's draw the eyes next. Draw two ovals. And then add a V-shaped notch inside on the left. And then erase the line inside the V. And now color both eyes in black. Next, let's draw the nose. Draw two curves coming together. And then color it in black. Let's draw the mouth now. On the left side, draw a small upside down V. And then a curve under to the right. Next, let's draw his ears. Start with two diagonal lines up from the top of the head, making the bottom line a bit shorter. And then add a curve at the end to connect the lines. Now draw his other ear in the same way below the first one. Let's draw his left arm now. Under the left side of the head, leave a gap and draw a curve. Now angle the bottom out to the left. Now from the top, draw a large curved angle out and back in for the elbow. And add one more angle here. Let's add his hand now. Start with the curve on the top. And then one more curve under it, bringing it down and back up to the arm. Let's draw his torso now. Start with the curve on the right of the arm. And then an angle down. Next, draw a similar angle to the right for the other side of the body. And then add a slightly bent line from the hand across the bottom. And one more small line down at the end. Let's draw the right arm and hand holding the microphone next. Start with two curves down for the arm. Then a vertical wavy line for the hand. Now at the top, draw another curve. And then continue this line out with a curve to the right. And then one more larger square curve underneath to finish the hand. Let's draw the microphone now. Draw the bottom with the curved rectangle shape. Then 2 lines on top of the hand. Add a curve across now. Now at the end, draw a large circle at the end for the microphone head. And then add the detailed curved lines inside. Let's draw the shorts next. Draw a curve down on the right. Now leave a gap and continue this curve over to the left. Next, draw lines out on either side of the gap. And now a curve to connect them. Now move over to the left side and draw a diagonal line. And then a curve up to the hand. Let's draw the legs and feet next, starting with the left side. Draw a diagonal line down. And then a diagonal line down to the right and curve it back in at the bottom. Next, draw the top of the leg with a bent curve. Now curve out for the top of the foot. And then close it off with a line across the bottom. Now draw the right side in the same way but pointing out to the right. And that's it for Oswald. Now let's quickly color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.